In this Premiere Pro tutorial, I will show you how to create a split screen effect. Start by placing your video clips on top of each other. Next, add a linear wipe effect from the effects panel to the top clip. I'll increase the transition completion to 50%. You can also play with the angle of the transition to alter the angle itself or the side which gets cut off. However, I'm not happy where the clip gets cut off, so I'll adjust the position and then the transition completion. I'll also adjust the framing of the second video to my liking. To make sure the split is exactly in the middle, enable the safe margins and rulers in the program monitor window. Click and drag from the rulers to create guidelines and place them in the middle using the safe margin center lines. Then adjust the split position so it's in the middle. To add a line between the two video clips, go into the Essential Graphics panel, click Edit and create a rectangle. Disable Scale Lock by clicking on this chain icon and adjust the scale to create a line. Then adjust the angle so it matches our split angle. Finally, adjust the duration. And that's the complete effect. Feel free to suggest ideas for future tutorials in the comments below. Like and subscribe for now.